know what? The rich, they get rich by helping one another, by networking with one another. But for some reason, our people, black people, I'm talking to us right now, we don't want to put our bags together and network. Why not? That's how we're going to get there. It's not thinking that one another we have to be the same, on the same page. We are unique individuals. When you bring yourself to the table, that was enough alone because you don't think like I think. So just because you might not have finances, you might have another ability that I don't have or so and so might not have. You see what I'm saying? But we have to network together. We have to put our resources together. You see what I'm saying? Resources don't necessarily mean money, but we have to work together, bro. If we gonna get somewhere, we have to think like that. We have to think like bosses. Like they have put so much division. We try to divide everything because that's how the system did us. I get it. And they say that stuff is passed down through generations and through generations. This has been proven. So we act like this because they made us to act like this. They brainwashed us. You see what I'm saying? So now you have to break those chains in order to really think like a boss for us to work together and get a check. Because even a lot of the celebrities that's getting money, they still eating out the man's hand. They ain't just networking. Some of them are, but a lot of them ain't. You see what I'm saying? But we got to realize, bro, and wake up and break that curse, man. We got to break that curse and work together. Hold on.